Welcome! In this channel, we explain automotive terms. A backfire is an explosion in the engine cylinder or exhaust at the wrong time. The combustion reaction is supposed to take place in your engine where the fuel and air mixture is ignited by the spark plug in your cylinders. Instead, this is actually happening outside of the combustion chamber. If unburned fuel is able to get all the way to your exhaust and it's hot enough, it will mix with oxygen that is present all around and combust. That's the reason why sometimes you can see fire out of the back of the car, because an explosion is actually occurring in your exhaust pipe. Inside each cylinder, fuel and air are mixed at the exact right time. A spark ignites the entire mixture, and the resulting explosions are what power your car. If the timing of the spark is a bit too late in the engine cycle, unburnt fuel and air may be allowed to flow through the exhaust and result in a backfire. A poor fuel ratio is one common cause of backfire. Imagine there is too much fuel in the engine and not enough air. The spark inside the chamber may not burn up all the fuel, allowing a little extra gasoline vapor to enter the exhaust and lead to a backfire. The opposite problem can lead to the same result. If there's too much air in the cylinders at the time of the spark and not enough fuel, the spark won't be able to ignite all the fuel at once. Yet again, leftover fuel vapor will flow into the exhaust and could combust there in a backfire. On an older car with spark plug wires that get crossed or installed in the wrong order can inadvertently cause a spark to fire in a cylinder when it's not supposed to. This could also cause a significant backfire. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.